What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style, and I'm back with another video. And on this video, I got a couple of answers for the questions in regards to the range. You know, this little deal right there. One of the questions that I was getting, do my truck stay in VA mode all the time when I had this thing plugged in? And so it's just, instead of just answering y'all, I thought I'd make a video showing y'all. I like to say that the range is not a full delete, but for the moment you have it plugged in, it's a delete. But what I like so much about the range is that if you got more than one Chevy vehicle, whether it's an Avalanche, Suburban, Yukon, anything like that, you can just swap it out. You can just take it out of here and put it in your other truck for the days when you're not driving your other truck. That's what I like so much about this. It gives you a little flexibility. Now the tune, on the other hand, I like that as well. I like the fact that you can, tune it out. But if you're paying car notes or anything like that on your vehicle, then that's something, I don't think that you probably would want to be doing. Now on the other hand, they have people that throw cams and stuff in it to actually tune it out. That's a full delete. That way, you're gonna spend at least $1,500. Don't quote me, but you're gonna spend like at least $1,500. So my thing is to the folks out there, if you don't have $1,500 to do a full AFM delete, DOD delete, then there's other two options is yours. A would be the range. B would be to find somebody with a tuner and having them to flash this out. Now I heard some shops charge maybe $50 to $100 to tune it out. I don't know. But me myself, I went with the range. I went with the range because, like I said, I went with it because of its flexibility. I could take the same little piece and I can go put it in a Silverado and just ride off. If I sell this truck, I'll keep my range. Just in case I give me another Chevy truck or something. But y'all get what I'm saying. I like the range personally because it's more flexible. It does the same thing that the other two do. Well, I would say that the other flash do. No, I don't think it gives you power. No extra power or nothing like that. But yeah, you guys, as y'all see, I've been riding around like 10 minutes now. In my truck, it haven't moved out the V8. So my take on the range is, I actually do like it. I like it. It does what it said supposed to do. Would I recommend it? Yes. I just fairly wish that the prices was like $130 or something. But would I recommend y'all to buy this here thing? Yes, I do. And no, it's not a sponsor video or anything like that. It just, I had this thing for some time now, and I'm able to give y'all like my full honest opinion. But like I said, that's just my opinion. But anyway, y'all, that wrap this video up. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Style. If y'all like this video, jump down, leave me a comment, share the video. And make sure y'all subscribe to the page. Thank you.
Baby,